Hey, this is Rukat with Palmetto Coastal Homes in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today I'm touring some homes in the Market Common. Right now I'm in the Balmoral community. It's a Beazer home build. This particular model has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Your 2 bedrooms are up at the front, and then your master is in the back of the house. This particular neighborhood does include some upgrades as standard features in their home. For example, one thing is you would have hardwood floors throughout the downstairs, with the exception of the master bedroom and any other bedrooms that may be downstairs. You can upgrade to hardwood floors if you would like those throughout the home. Also, you have granite countertops in your kitchen. That would come standard. Through the end of March 2016, they have 2 incentives going on right now. You can either, and these incentives would be free, so that's about a $12,000 incentive. You could either upgrade your kitchen to a gourmet kitchen, or you could add a 3-car garage versus the standard 2-car garage. And again, that would be free. That's the incentive through the end of March of 2016. So the prices here start in the low 300s. The smallest home would have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And you can go all the way up to probably a 6-bedroom, 3,500 square foot house. All the master bedrooms, this is the master, do come with the bump out bay window. In the master bath, you would have 2 options. You can either have a walk-in shower that is shown here, or you can have your regular stand-up shower with a garden tub. So those are your 2 options. Like I said, the prices do start at about $312, and then they can go all the way up to probably $500,000 depending on what your upgrades are. They are also offering some larger lots that are about an acre, and you are here within about 1.25 miles of the beach. And you are also within the city limits of Myrtle Beach. So very rarely, if ever, do lots that large come available. So if this is something that you would be interested in, owning a house at the Market Common in Myrtle Beach, feel free to give me a call. My number is 843-267-2710.